In this video, you will learn how to change search bar on an iPhone. So if you want to change the search bar position from bottom to top in Safari on your iPhone, then this is the video you need to watch. Hey guys, I'm Rahul from Tech Pro, and without any further delay, let's learn how to change search bar in Safari on iPhone. In order to move search bar to the top in Safari on iPhone, we have to first of all go to settings. And once we are in settings, we have to scroll all the way down, and there you will find apps. Tap on apps, and next we have to scroll until Safari. So we have to scroll to the S section, and there we will find Safari. So tap on Safari, and after that we have to scroll a bit and you will see tabs here. So in order to move search bar from bottom to the top in Safari on iPhone, we have to make changes here under tabs. Currently the compact option is selected, but we can select the top option and the search bar will move from bottom to the top, as you can see here. And similarly, if we want to move the search bar from top to the bottom again, then we can select the bottom option and the search bar will move to the bottom again. So this way you may move the search bar from bottom to the top or top to bottom in Safari on iPhone. I hope you found this video helpful. And by the way, if you want to delete Safari search history on iPhone, make sure you tap here to watch this video. I'm Rahul signing off, and I'll see you in the next video.